Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I do my acrylic overlay on natural nails. Now this client has been with me for a while, but she is on and off. This is her, I want to say her third appointment with me since she's been back. At her second appointment, I did extend her broken nails using polygel and acrylic. She didn't really care for the polygel, so she asked to go back to just acrylic. I will be leaving the nails that I did repair with polygel and bold acrylic on. I'm not taking the polygel off until her natural nails grow out to the length that she wants. She just didn't really care for it. So we're going back to acrylic. I did explain to her that I would like to keep the polygel on the nails that still needs to grow out to her desired length. And she agreed. So here I am debulking her nails using my extra fine carbide bit. And then I will be going in to prep her nails for a fresh lay of acrylic. I will let you guys watch. Well, yeah, I'll let you guys watch the debulking portion of the video, and I'll pop back in once we get to the prep. Alright guys, here I'm using my cuticle pusher to push her cuticle back. I will be going in with my cuticle bits as well to push her cuticle back. They said the good old way always work. If it's not broke, don't fix it. I am also using my cuticle barrel bit to take up any dead cuticle or dead skin that's on her nail plate. I'll be using my barrel bit in a reverse and a forward direction. My RPM is at between 6 to 8,000 RPM, and then I'll be going in with my flame bit to clean up her sidewalls and push her cuticle back as well. She did have a lot of buildup. I've been trying to remind her to just use her cuticle oil in between appointments. She is a picker, guys. So I have to remind her the only way the dead skin will stay away is if she use her cuticle oil. So because she is a picker, I have to prep a little bit more. I have to be thorough with her prep. So this is what I'm doing, and you'll see me going with my 240 grit sanding band as well as my cuticle ball bit to soften her cuticles out. Now, if I leave anything on there, she will pick it once she gets home. Um, I don't know if you guys could tell, but on the side of her finger, whenever it flakes up, she will pick it. So I do go in and exfoliate on the side of her finger using a round head cuticle bit. I did not leave that portion of the video in this clip. Next time I will do, so you guys will be able to see how I exfoliate my around my clients' fingers after I'm done with application and everything. I try not to use any oils while I'm prepping, but once I'm done, I will go in with my cuticle oil around their nails and I'll buff out any dead skin that's around their fingers, and then I'll go in with a sugar scrub and they'll wash their hand with sugar scrub, and then they'll brush around their cuticle with a bacterial soap before coming back to me to take any final pictures. So this is what I'm doing here, and then I'll be going into apply her young nail primer as well as the gel bottle rubber base. I do like to use a rubber base on most of my clients. You know what? All my clients. I never go without it. I like using it. I see great improvement with my clients' natural nails. They're really thick, they grow faster. Even with my clients with bitten nails, like they don't have a full nail bed. Once I apply that rubber base and put their overlay on their natural nails in 2-3 fills, their nail bed has been extended. So yeah, I'll let you guys watch the rest of the rubber base portion and I'll come back because I am really talking in this video. So guys, I had to take a breather just now. I feel like I was just talking nonstop. So here I am going with my Young Nail Clear Speed Acrylic, and I am using a 1 bead method to do her overlay. I will be folding the tip of the acrylic to fold it back up because her nails does curve downwards. I like to create a free edge that is straight on, and then I'll go underneath and buff out the curve from our natural nails afterwards. So moving on to our ring finger, I'm basically doing the same thing, and if you could tell, I'm holding our finger downwards to let gravity help the acrylic to self level, and I am just patting the acrylic in just to make sure there's no lumps and bumps and the sidewall is not being flooded or the acrylic is not spreading wider than her natural nails. So I'm going in with my second bead of acrylic and I'm holding her nail down in a downward motion just to make sure that acrylic is self-leveling on its own, and I am folding the tip of the acrylic back upwards to create a natural free edge. That way there's no curve. So her nails will look like they're straight and the natural curve is not there. Because she is a picker, guys, I do like to go underneath. I do this with most of my clients, to be honest, and take up that natural nail. If she sees any sign of separation, she will pick that ring finger. Sometimes she'll come back and a piece of her natural nails will be gone. Just like that. And I say, what happened? Well, yeah, that's how it always starts. So I just make sure there's nothing for her to pick at. So here I'm going in with my acrylic on her pointer nail and I'm doing the same. I know this application was pretty fast. If you guys need a dedicated video of a acrylic sorry guys, acrylic application, I will do so. Just let me know in the description bar, let me know in the comment section, and I'll definitely create a dedicated video for you guys in real time for acrylic application. And please let me know how you guys are enjoying the video so far. I've been getting a little bit more views here and there. So, and I have been getting comments too. So shout out to you guys that have take away something from my videos. That's the main goal, for you guys to take away something from each video that I publish and applying it to your everyday work life and make it your own. So here I'm going in with my extra fine carbide bit to finish file her nail and take up that curvature that I was telling you guys about earlier. And guys, we don't have to do this. You don't have to, but I like to do this because she likes her nails to look really natural. I go in and use my e-file to finish file as well as my hand file. So you'll see me going to clean up her sidewalls and her cuticle sealer cuticles, and just go ahead and let me just say her acrylic or nails weren't 100% dry, but once I start going over it a few times, the acrylic polymerized. So she was fine. I'm pretty sure she won't have any breakage or crumbling. Let me knock on wood. Um, Separation by me filing her nails a little bit sooner than usual. The appointment was pretty fast, so that's why. All right, guys, here is where I'm going to leave you guys to finish watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video, and if you do, please leave me a like. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. To all my subscribers, thank you guys so much. And to all my new subscribers, welcome. Thank you for subscribing. And she is a simple client. She just went with a violet color and a design on one of her nail. Her husband actually picked out this design for her. We only added a decal on one finger, so it was pretty simple. And I want to say my battery did die while I was top coating her nail, so you guys only got to see me giving her. I think I did a second top coat on the nail that a decal was on. So my apologies for that. I did not realize that the battery had died and I needed to restart the camera until after I was done applying the top coat. So I'm gonna leave you guys here, and let me just let you guys know, on Sunday's video I will be including my Shein all and the items that I got from the America's Beauty Show. I did go to the nail supply today, so I will include a clip of that as well. And I did show you guys what all I got from the nail supply, and it may be three, if not two, it'll be three of my clients' a service included in that video. So it will be a longer video published on Sunday, but I hope you guys do enjoy the longer form videos as well as the short ones. And if you have watched my video and has taken away anything from my videos so far and applied them to your daily work, let me know. I have enjoyed just far hearing from you guys what you guys have taken away and applied it to your work. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.